In this video, I will show you how to set up a Coming Soon page on Shopify. This is useful when your store is not ready yet, and you want to show visitors a Coming Soon page instead of your full website. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Online Store, and then go to Preferences. Now, scroll down until you find the Password Protection section. Here, enable the option to restrict access to your store. Once you turn it on, you will need to set a password that visitors must enter to access your website. I couldn't enable the password option here because I'm currently on the trial version. Shopify doesn't allow password protection on trial accounts, so you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan to use this feature. You can also add a custom message for your visitors like, "This store is coming soon," or any text you want to display on the password page. After setting everything, click on Save to apply the changes. Now, your store will no longer be fully visible to the public. Instead, anyone who visits your website will see a Coming Soon or password-protected page. For more advanced designs like countdown timers or professional landing pages, you can also use Shopify page builder apps such as Gem Pages, which give you more control than the default editor. Once your store is ready to launch, just go back to Preferences and disable password protection to make your store live. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.